Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design and style your email in Mailchimp quickly and confidently. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or you've been using it for a while, this tutorial will help you create beautiful emails that not only look professional, but also match your brand and grab your audience's attention. By the end, you'll know exactly how to edit, style, and customize your email layouts, so let's jump right in. First, let's get started by heading over to your Mailchimp design. Go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account and open up the email campaign you want to work on. Once you've got your draft open, you'll see an overview of your email layout. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to look around and don't worry if things look a bit overwhelming at first. Each part is customizable. Now let's focus on the body of your email. Click directly on the body section. This is usually the area where the main content sits, like your text, images, and call to action buttons. When you click it, a styling panel will slide open on the right. This is where you can edit essential details like background color, text styles, font choices, and spacing. Let's say you want a clean, modern look. You might choose a white background with dark, simple text. Or if you want something a bit more vibrant, try a background color that matches your brand. Just remember, the body is like the canvas of your email, so keeping it neat and appealing is key to making the rest of your content pop. After you've finished styling the body, let's move up to the header section. The header sits right at the top and acts like the headline of your email. It's the first thing your readers will see. Click on the header and you'll see similar editing options appear. Here you can add your logo or a banner image, adjust the font style of your headline, and play with the background color to make it stand out. For example, if you're sending a holiday promo, you could add a festive image or colors to set the mood instantly. Think of the header like a welcome mat. It sets the tone for everything that follows, so take your time here. Next up, let's get creative. Mailchimp gives you plenty of extra control. You can add images, change colors, and drop in text wherever you need. Maybe you want to include a photo of your product, a testimonial, or highlight key information with a colored background. To add a new image, just drag and drop the image block where you want it, or use the upload button to select a picture from your computer. When adjusting colors, try to stick to a palette that's consistent with your branding. This consistency helps build trust with your readers. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even bring in elements from other sources and import them into your design. This might be a custom-designed banner, a professional photograph, or even a unique font style you've created elsewhere. Simply use the import feature to upload these assets, and then place them exactly where you want in your email. Don't stress if it's your first time. Mailchimp is built to make importing pretty straightforward, and you can always preview your email to see how it looks before sending it out. And that's it, you've just styled your email from top to bottom, giving it your own personal flair and making it ready to impress your audience. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips on Mailchimp design. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'm here to help you look your best online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.